Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your X username. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Accept. So let me open Accept. So once you open Accept, you simply need to click on the home icon in the left bottom. Once you click on that, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll and click on settings and support. Here you need to click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to click on your account and click on account information. And here you need to click on username. So here you can see your new username. So I'm going to change that to something that I want to. So I'm going to add how to solutions. So okay. And then you simply need, once it is green, you simply need to click on done. And after that your username will be changed. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.